So I just woke up. I was taking a little nap, and while I waited for my laundry, and it's like a 40-minute wait. And when I woke up, I seen another cop car sitting outside within a foot of me. F1 to A0. I don't know why these dirty cops. It's dirty. It's terrorism. It's stalking terrorism, and it's the same behavior I told on the internet, on Twitter, on YouTube. These cops keeps showing up places where I am without telling me why they're there or why they keep repeating this behavior. Nobody wants to fall asleep and wake up and see a cop car parked outside their car. Nobody wants to go to a park and see a cop car parked outside their house. Or outside the park. No one wants to wake up and go outside their house and see police officers outside their home. And they're using implants to tell me right now it's because we want you to get used to being the president or someday. And that's how the president's going to be if he's when he wakes up, when he goes to a park, when he goes to all these places. But I'm never going to be president. I will always turn down that offer. And I swear that. I promise and I swear I will never allow you worthless cockroaches to groom me to be anybody. This is what you call stalking behavior. Worthless, gay-ass stalking behavior. They just told me if you're mad, kill yourself. Go fuck yourself! They just told me if you're mad that we were torturing you while you couldn't sleep, if you're mad that you couldn't get a 40-minute nap, if you're mad about that, you could use that cop right there to kill you. You could use that police officer you just saw to kill you. There's a guy in a police officer. If you're mad that we were playing with your genitals, playing with your chest, squeezing your lungs with implants, if you're mad that we were talking to you the entire time you were trying to take a nap using implants, a device you can communicate with somebody inside their body so they couldn't ignore you. They can't get away from you. They can't run from you. If you're mad that we didn't let you sleep, then you can use that cop right there to kill yourself. You can get mad, and there's an opportunity right there for you to commit murder. For something bad to happen to you. There's an opportunity right there. If you don't like it, use that police officer to do something to you. I'm going to keep telling. I'm going to keep telling that you worthless gay community members are continuously trying to find ways to motivate me to respond or to see harassment and act like it's water. Act like pee is water, or act like harassment is helpful, or to learn to like the stalking and harassment behavior. Learn, and if you don't like it, if you hate the implants, you hate the police showing up wherever you are, get mad and do something that results in a violence or you getting arrested because you can't control the things you see. Get mad that you can't stop us from using implants to torture your chest, squeeze your lungs, electrocute your genitals, play with your ears, make noises while you're trying to sleep. Get mad. And do something about it. Do something to the cop. He has a gun, he'll kill you. That's what people see on the news or on YouTube all the time. Some random person, altercation with police. And they don't know why, right? There's no clear motive. Well, they're hiding motive. They're hiding motives. These people are being tortured on the inside or with implants. It's not a self-psychosis. It's implants. Somebody put technology in children to get them to have sex with the people they wanted them to have sex with. They're gay. Those are rapists. Those were people who committed rape. And they use implants to do it.